Hi! In front of me is Nokia G50 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can customize theme of your keyboard on this smartphone. Start by opening settings and scrolling down. Now choose system, languages and input, on-screen keyboard, and finally Gboard. Then go into theme and tap on this plus sign under my themes. Over here select the photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, select next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Following that, choose done and click on the switcher next to key borders to turn them on or off. After that, choose apply and go back. As you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!